hello. I am Dr. Uma Reddy, consultant radiologist, Clarity Scans and Diagnostics, Nellore. I am a proud owner of GEHDXT, which has been given by Phantomhealthcare. I have been using this magnet from past 9 years, and their service has been very good. They are supporting me in all the aspects, and I am very happy with Phantom. I am a happy customer of Phantom. So they have a very good warehouses nowadays, and they are good with refurbished market, and their head Brijesh is especially a very good engineer, and he has a great entrepreneurial skills. He'll support you with whatever you want, and the team, especially marketing team with Vishal and all, they are very good, and Phantom is doing great in Indian refurbished market. Especially when you're looking at budget options, you can definitely think about Phantom Healthcare, a trustworthy partner of yours.
Another important aspect is how good is the technical team of Phantom. So I had my high-end queries to them, including cartilage mapping or cardiac region mapping and T2 mapping. So their technical team were strong enough, and they are from the old big companies like GE and Siemens, to solve all my issues. Even if there are certain issues in the image quality, and they will be immediately available and solving my issues. So as of now, I don't have any technical or MR image quality related issues in my machine.
Okay, hi everybody. Now I am Dr. Rajiv Bhadbade, radiologist. I've been practicing for almost 33 years now. I do multi-modalities. I do basically ultrasound and intervention radiology, but I also do CT and a partial work of MR. Now, as I told you, I am doing this for quite a long time. 32 years is a big time. And I have been exposed to almost all the companies which are linked in radiological services, like Siemens, GE, Philips. And I have also been related to certain people like MediRays. Then I was in contact with many other companies, but MediRays was the company from which I brought my CT and MR in past, and Ratish Nair was the person whom I brought the CT scan in my old center at Healthcare Medical Diagnostics Center. And we had a new brand MR from GE, new brand CT from GE at Nirman Spiral CT Scan Center. Now my son has passed his MD, and he was in Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital, and he is really good in MR, and he joined me last year, and we were working on 1.5D. So he wanted me to have, to have 3T. So now we have 3T MR at Radhe Imaging and Research Center, Miraj. Now we brought this after lots of thinking. I went to Phantom, and that is a company owned by Brijesh Suneja. And I thought over so many, because I was linked with MediRays for my previous MR and CT, but somehow I didn't find their services proper. What happens is that you buy an MR, but it's like buying an white elephant, and then you should, something always goes wrong with it, because there are so many things, so many factors. The helium is there, the temperature control is there, the pressure control is there, and so many things. You always require somebody available to give you services immediately. As the modalities are very costly, we have to do enough number of patients, and we cannot send the patients back. So the downtime has to be very low. And so I went with British and Phantom, and I found them extremely good. Whatever experiences I had in past 33 years, I found this company to be totally different, because they have 3 engineers stationed in the district itself, and those 3 engineers immediately attend the call and come and rectify the problem immediately. The amount of the problems are also few, but the installation is excellent, the machine condition is excellent, and they give relatively newer machines, and the image quality is top class. Now, the image quality in MR depends on the settings. So the application specialists are also very important, the engineers are important, and the owner.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ashekar. I'm a radiologist running a diagnostic center since 22 years in Vijayanagram, Andhra Pradesh. I would like to inform you that I took an MRI machine from Phantomhealthcare services with the proprietor Brijesh. He's a very helpful guy. I've been using this machine since 5 years, and I'm a happy customer. I never had any problems with the machine. The machine is working fine, and service was very prompt. Whenever the problem comes, soon after calling, they will attend in within 24 hours and solve the problem. And they have got a big inventory and a large warehouse with enough spare parts to compensate any customer service cost. And their services is extraordinary and marvelous. I hope they'll grow in very shortly to higher positions. Thank you very much, and thank you.
Healthcare biggest strength as a partner in providing medical equipment?
I think there are a lot of things which sets Phantom Healthcare apart from other third-party vendors. The most important one is that they work with a lot of honesty and integrity. What is important in this field of business is that whatever equipments are installed to the best of their abilities. They have got a huge repertoire of trained service engineers. Most of them are from either GE or Siemens or Philips. Recently, Phantom Healthcare has also got into installation of PET CT scanners, and I'm sure that that venture of theirs will also be a great success. And they have built a very strong team, and they have worked very hard in the last 2 years to build up that team. And I personally know Mr. Brijesh Suneja from the last 25 years when he was a field engineer in GE, and I was just starting my career at Focus Imaging. So my relationship with him goes back almost 3 decades, and I've always felt him to be a very, very sensitive, sensible, reliable person, partner, somebody who's very good at heart and who's always helpful to his customers. And I think these are all the traits that have made Phantom Healthcare what Phantom Healthcare is today. And I wish them all the success in the future.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello everyone. My name is Rohit Srivastav. I'm the Managing Director of PC Diagnostics. We are a Mumbai-based chain, or rather MMR-based chain of diagnostics. We currently have 8 centers in Mumbai and surrounding areas, of which 4 are MRI centers, of which 3 MRIs have been given to us by Phantom. And I will always speak great praises about their entire team. They have always been the most cost-effective and the best with regards to providing services. I've never had any complaint. A lot of people told me that GE is best in servicing, but honestly, I've not found anything wrong that I can say about Phantom. They have been par with any of the OEM manufacturers, never given any reason for complaint with regards to upgrades, with regards to management of all the machines. We've also purchased CT machines from them. Again, no cause for complaint. I would heartily recommend them to each and every one, and I wish them the best of luck in their future growth.